What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to import a CSV file with transactions in Xero. So first you need to head over to the Xero's website and then you need to log in or sign up with your account. And after that, when you have been redirected to the dashboard of Xero, from here you need to click on accounting and then you need to click on bank accounts here from the drop down list. And after clicking on bank accounts, the new window of bank accounts will open. From here, you need to add your bank account. And after adding your bank account on the right side, then you will see the option of manage account. Click on that manage account and then a list will appear. From here under the reconcile section, you need to click on import a statement. After clicking on import a statement, a prepare file for upload window will appear, from where you need to click on select file here at the bottom under the file to upload section. When you click on select file, you need to select your CSV file that you want to upload, and when you select your CSV file, click on next, and then you will just review your file and then publish it. And this is how you can add a CSV file transactions into Xero. So that was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.